Gavana e kaunti ma Nairobi Johnson Sakaja ochopo nyim komiti mar od bura mar senet kama oduoke penj ewi tiyo gi omenda mag dongruok ei omenda mag 2022 2023. Moko kuom penjo mokwako Gavana Sakaja gin chudo mag gope kaunti manoyudo e apisi kowuok bilion 118 nyaka bilion 86 nyaka sani. Kata kamano lero ni loko lai mag chudo e yore manyasani osemedo yuto e kaunti kowuok bilion 10 nyaka bilion 13.8 ei omenda.
The pace is not quick, and that delays handing over. And even when I said we have no stalled projects, if you look at what I've listed, a lot of them are what had remained under NMS that is now being brought back to us, and then before my time. Yeah? But within our time, all projects have been funded. Further to that, Senator Chair, there are no projects that we have said should not be completed from previous administrations. It will be a great disservice to Nairobians if the second governor abandons all the projects initiated by the first governor, and then the third governor. Now, you know, we've had a few in Nairobi that I say I didn't like the previous one and I leave his projects. Chair, we started with Governor Kidero's projects that were not concluded. The one which is really for me a painful one is the rehabilitation center.